Well, so here's an interesting change of events. I'm still working on this pig. And so what happened was, off camera about a week or so ago, I disconnected the starter, or tried to, but the terminal completely, killed itself, and here we are. I had a feeling that the starter might be bad, so I did order another one. I have a brand new one from Amazon. It's a off-brand special, so we're gonna change this out. And I kind of have to anyways because the terminal end broke off. I think I've already done a few things with this. I did undo both of these bolts, so I think this just comes off just like that, I guess. And now we just have to remove the starter. Looks like it. The big thing here is sometimes you'll get a replacement starter and the gear and spring and everything will be different. You want to make sure that these are the same. So what I'm going to do here is just brake torque. Just undo these. There we go. There's the one. Here's two. There's the starter. There we go. Just taking off the positive lead. Everything's turned off. All right. Now it's starting to get hot, so I got my trusty trash-picked patent shop fan going. Anyways, I might have found part of the issue, which I guess I overlooked this. There is a lot of corrosion on this terminal. Now, the only reason I'm messing with this now is I've already looked at this before. I didn't think it was an issue, but I started jostling this connection around, both of them, and I finally got the starter to engage enough that it moved the engine enough. So whatever the heck I'm doing over here, battery issue, is changing our circumstance a little bit. So that's done. Just used all those tools there, cleaned up the terminal end, just like I was saying. And just kind of put it all back together. Looks like there was a lot of corrosion here, so I cleaned that off really well. Realistically, I need to replace this whole positive wire just because it's got some corrosion there that I wasn't able to get out. But you guys are gonna like this result. I wonder if this thing will do anything with this up. We'll see. Perfect. So the starter's good. Terminal ends are good. I'm happy with that. Most likely gonna have to clean out the carburetor, and then we'll throw some fuel in it, probably replace that fuel filter and go from there. But I think this thing will be a good runner. Stay tuned for more.